Special Intensive Revision SIR Sathaduna Phongkiba Draft Electoral Roll da Churachandpur Assembly Constituency ki Meitei voter Chatret ka Kuntra Taret Louthok-Khiba Thengnare ManipurArticles.com ki report amana hai Draft Electoral Roll dagi Louthok-Khiba voter singa adu missing absent death natraga SIP residents haiba category singa sida yauri Draft Electoral Roll dagi Meitei kayagi maming Louthok-Khiba sina maram oiraga Manipur gi irang asina lanjena duna leiriba miyoi kayada pungning wakhal leitadaba pokhallei maming Louthok phikraba voter sing aduna masagi voting right manglagadra haibagi mipaiba poknare Draft Electoral Roll dagi maming Louthok-Khiba Meitei voter ayamba hauzik lanjena duna Churachandpur gi wangmada leiriba ngaktani Election Commission na Final Electoral Roll phongdringaida revision process asigi saruk ama oina eligible oiraba voter singna claim amadi objection thangatuna Final Electoral Roll da maming hapchinaba appeal tawba yai hainadi khanghankhibani